Okay, the kitties are playing. There's 5 of them. There's 2. I can't tell who's who right now. Okay. Okay, Marco just came out of the litter box. Where's Aaron? What? And then, okay, so here's all the names for them. One's Aaron. He's wearing a green and silver thing. Levi's wearing a blue one. Marco's wearing a black hair tie. No, Sean's wearing the black hair tie. Marco's the really light colored one. And then Eloise is the one that's just not wearing any, but darker colored. Neil just had a bath like an hour ago. And so they're really chaotic. My room was actually very clean.
Yeah,
but they like to hide, so that's why there's a hole in the couch too. There's another one on the other side. I just turned on the couch. 2 just popped out. Oh, there's Aaron. There's Aaron. Right there. There's Aaron. And then I don't know who those are, but look, Aaron. He's my favorite right now. Oh. Was who was that? If that was Levi, then he'd like to play. Let's see. Who's over there? Under the bed. Aaron, I know you hear me. Aaron, don't go behind the couch. Aaron, can you hold this for a second? I'm gonna go get Aaron.
Okay. Lay it on top of me.
No, hold it. I need you to hold it. It's recording.
Oh.
Hold it. Right there. Keep it
I don't think that's you.
No. Aaron, I got him. Aaron. Ow.
Yay.
Say hi to Aaron. Aaron,
Michelle Yeager. Just put that under there. Kittens and Aaron, Michelle Yeager.
This is Aaron. Say hi. Say hi. One of my favorites. And Marco's also awesome. There you go. Be free. Well, don't be free. Let me pet you. He's one of the nicer ones. Aren't you? He's had a bath and now they smell really good. Be free. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're just too cute. The star of the video. I feel special. You're just sitting there now. Are you not refusing to play or something? Oh, no, there you go. I thought he was like, I'm gonna refuse to go play now. But his siblings are just gonna drag him in. He was already dragged in. Or is that him over there? No, that's Marco. Is that you? Yep, that's him. He's running off. He's getting ready to pounce. And he went for it. Okay, so that's enough of the kittens playing. Oh, they got the toys now. They got the toys now. Marco figured out the toy. Oh, and they're off again. Okay. Say bye. Remember, say bye. Are you asleep?
No.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, she says bye. Kittens! Got your attention. Say bye. Say bye, kittens. Kittens.